In this video, we are customizing text in SwiftUI. Let's create a new app. Let's call it Custo Text. We're taking the SwiftUI. Next, let's put it in the desktop. And here it is. So let's change our text here to a good fruit. And let's see what it looks like. It's building. It should show up here. Here it is. A good fruit. So let's do some modification and customization. So let's change the color and let's make it orange. It's orange. We can change. We can add. We can make it bold here. It's bolder than it was, and we can also make it italic. Let's change the color to red now. Let's have a font in it. Font. Let's do body. Let's see if we can see any difference between this and the body. Maybe it was body before. Let's change it into headline. It should be a little bigger, and it is. Let's make it, you know what, let's just make it title, and let's also underline it. Good. Let's make it blue. Ta-da! So this is how we customize text in Swift UI.